Hey there. If you have spent a lot of time sending emails and sometimes it feels nice to have a personalized message with your name and contact info at the bottom. Whether you're looking for a more professional appearance or just want to make things easier for people who might want to get in touch with you, adding a signature is definitely the way to go. In this video, we will show you how to add an email signature in Outlook. Create a new email message. From the message menu, choose Signature, then click Signatures. Choose New under Select Signature to edit, and then type a name in the new signature dialog box. Click Edit Signature to compose your signature. Change the font size, color, and alignment as you desire. For a more robust signature with bullet points, tables, or borders, use Word to format the text and then paste it into the Edit Signature box. The pre-designed signature templates are also available to you. Copy and paste the customized templates into the Edit Signature box in Word, and then customize them with your personal information. Set your default signature options as follows. Select an email account from the drop-down box. Different signatures can be used for different email accounts. When you select one of your signatures in the New Messages drop-down box, your signature will be added to all new messages by default. If you do not wish to automatically add a signature to new messages, select None. When you reply or forward a message, you can add your signature by selecting one of your signatures in the Reply/Forwards drop-down menu. Your new signature will be saved once you click OK. The signature will be automatically added to future messages. If you don't want a signature as part of all new messages or replies and forwards, you can manually add one. Select Signature on the Message tab of your email message. From the upcoming menu, choose your signature. In case you have more than one signature, you can choose any of them. At times, the Outlook window crashes once the signatures are added in the messages. This is a matter of concern as your Outlook PST files might be corrupted with the customization of such settings. Now you need to repair your Outlook PST file. We are here to give you the easiest, quickest, and most reliable solution for your Outlook PST corruption issues. Kernel for Outlook PST is a simple application that repairs corrupt or damaged PST files and restores the data to a new PST or other formats given on your screen. The software uses powerful scanning algorithms to repair the PST file and extract the data from it. It also provides an option to split the large PST files into smaller ones for easy management. And it is compatible with all versions of Microsoft Outlook and supports all versions of Windows operating system. It has a very friendly interface that makes it easy to use even for novice users. Owing to the so many advanced features offered by Kernel for Outlook PST Repair Tool, it has become a widely used tool among home users as well as corporate sector employees. We hope you can now easily add the signature in Outlook. For more information on the tool, click the given link below.